Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Solely Joe. My name is Joe and I'm going to show you today how I made this quick and easy keychain fob out of fabric and nylon webbing and one split ring. Cut one piece of webbing 12 by 1 inches and one piece of fabric 12 by 1 inches. Press your fabric to create a center crease, after which you will open the fabric and fold in the long edges in towards the center crease you just created. Now place the fabric over the webbing and pin in place. You will take this now to your sewing machine and sew along the two long edges. Now that you've completed sewing your fabric to your webbing, you will take the split ring and place the fabric strap piece through the split ring. Right sides together. Then you will take it to your sewing machine and sew the short edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. After which you will turn out your strap and place your split ring close to where you just created the seam. Take this back to your sewing machine and sew across the edge. Sew it across to secure your split ring in place, and voila, you're done. Remember to like and share and subscribe to my channel.